One is making noise, man. I don't know why they are disturbing the session. If you don't like, please you can leave. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Just I'll get you back. Actually, I was creating another class. I have class 10, class 7th. So I did not create the link so that I was creating the link. Fine. Right, have you opened economics? Thank you for waiting for me. For being patient. Right. That's Swaminarayan. Very good morning. Started, man. Already started. Some of the students, they are sending the message in the group. They are sending the messages in the group. Okay, right. Let it be. Coming to the point.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. We cannot.
Voice is not clear.
Rakesh, host.
What I'm asking you, total how many chapters for the exam?
Sir, voice is breaking, sir.
It is not clear, but your voice is very clear to me.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Wait a minute. Think there is a net issue. Fine. The screen is visible to you? Is the screen is visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not visible. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is my voice is audible? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Am I audible?
Sir, it is audible.
Okay.
Sir.
Is screen visible? Is
No,
screen
sir.
is visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So today we are having a question and answer session, MCQs, on the globalization and the Indian economy. Globalization and the Indian economy, class 10, right? Here, question number 1. Removing barriers or restrictions set by the government is called liberalization, investment, favorable trade, free trade. Removing barriers or restrictions set by the government is called. Removing barriers or restrictions set by the government is called liberalization, investment, favorable trade, free trade. You have to answer it. Yeah, by 9 o'clock we are closing anyhow. Before that one only. Whoever knows the answer, you can answer the question. Is the screen is visible?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
Not
it is
visible.
not
What
showing that it is not yet showing that you have started the screen share, sir.
Sir, can you repeat?
my question is,
Sir, now it came the screen.
Now it is coming up. Yes.
Not
okay,
yet, sir.
removing
Now,
barriers.
It
Removing
came.
barriers. Come on, don't speak in the group. Removing barriers or restrictions set by the government is called liberalization, investment, favorable trade, free trade. Which one is the correct answer? Make it fast. Hurry up. Whoever knows the answer, you can speak up. You can speak up. Whoever knows the answer.
Liberalization.
Liberalization, sir. A, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, give your options faster. Don't waste the time. Option A, liberalization is the correct answer. That rapid integration or interconnection between countries is known as privatization, globalization, liberalization, socialization. Make it fast.
Globalization.
Globalization.
Has led improvement in living conditions of all the people, of people in the developed countries, of workers in the developing countries, none of the above. Which one is the correct answer? Make it fast. Make it fast. Globalization has led to improvement in living conditions. Globalization has led to improvement in living conditions of all the people, of people in the developed countries, of workers in the developing countries, none of the above.
Sir,
Make it fast. Make it
sir, workers in the developing countries, sir.
all the people. Okay, you give your options, man. Make it faster.
sir, C, sir, C.
C,
Sir,
sir.
see, sir.
See, sir.
MCQ, right? Which one of the following Indian industries has been hit hard by globalization? Information technology, toy making, jute, cement. Which one of the following Indian?
Jute.
Cute, sir.
Jute.
Cement,
Yeah, right. B. Toy making industry, right? So, World Trade Organization was started at the initiative of which one of the following group of countries? World Trade Organization, WTO, was started at the initiative of following countries. Which countries? Poor countries, developed countries, developing. World Trade Organization was started at the initiative. Who led this to start this World Trade Organization of the which group of countries? Developed countries, poor countries.
Sir,
rich countries.
developed, sir. Sir, developed.
Sir, developed countries.
Right. Next question. Which of the following organization lays stress on liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment?
Sir, question is not visible, sir, on screen.
the
Which
question
of
is
the
not visible.
following
Yes,
organization
sir.
is not visible? Please listen to me. Hello, uncle. Please do understand. Don't speak, man. Don't speak, man. If it is not visible, you listen to me. Listen to me. Right? Which of the following organization lays stress on liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment? Which of the following organization lays stress on liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment?
D, sir. D.
Sir, World Trade Organization, sir.
Sir, D.
Yeah, getting my voice? Is it audible to you?
Sir, sir.
Sir.
Right. Question number 6. Here, which of the following organization lays stress on liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment? International Labour Organization, International Monetary Fund, World Health Organization, World Trade Organization. Make it
Sir, World Trade
Sir,
Organization.
World Trade Organization.
D, sir.
very good, very good. Aditya sir, Jai Somnaran, very good morning. How?
Akhil, keep in mute.
Okay, sorry to put you people in the mute. Okay, question is, okay, World Trade Organization is the correct answer. Globalization, right? Investment made by MNCs are termed as indigenous investment, foreign investment,
Foreign investment.
Foreign,
D.
sir.
foreign
sir, B.
investment. 100% correct answer. Very good. Congratulations. Right. So here, which of the following is not a future of multinational company, MNC, which is not the future of the mind? It owns control products, it's more than one nation, it set up factories where it is close to the market, it organizes production in complex ways, it employs labor only from its own country. Make it faster. Option A, B, C, D.
D,
Make
sir.
it faster.
Then option D, sir. Option D.
Option D, sir.
Make it
Uh,
faster. Tax on
own country.
Tax on imports is an example of terms of trade, collateral.
Trade barriers, sir. Trade barriers.
Trade barriers, sir.
Correct answer, right? Faster, you have to give your answer a faster. Which one of the following is not characteristic of special economic zone? Special economic zone, special economic zone. They do not have to pay taxes for long period. Government has allowed flexibility in labor laws. They have world-class facilities. They do not have to pay taxes for an initial period of 5 years. So here it is that they do not have to pay taxes for long period. So which one is the correct option? A is the
Sir,
correct
A
answer.
only, sir.
Okay, right. Companies who set up production units in the special economic zones suggest do not have to pay taxes for an initial period of 2 years, 5 years, 4 years, 10 years. Make it faster.
5
Give
years,
your-
sir. 5 years.
5, sir.
Oh, Bonguru Rakesh
4
Yadav, you
years,
have to
sir.
speak up.
5 years. 5 years.
మీరు మాట్లాడండి. Give your answer whether A,
Sir, it
B.
is 5.
Hey, you send a message to me, right? You send your answer message to me. Next question. It refers to the globalization which creates opportunities for all and ensures that its benefits are better shared. Privatization, special economic zone, World Trade Organization, fair globalization. I'm repeating
sir.
the. It refers to the globalization. It refers to the
Localization.
it creates opportunities for all and ensures that its benefits are better shared. It's privatization, special
Sir,
economic
sir,
zones,
fair globalization, sir.
very good, correct answer. Fair
D,
globalization.
D, sir, answer.
MNC is a company that owns or controls production in one country, more than one country, only developing countries, only developed country, which could be the correct answer. Make it faster.
Sir,
Question
More
one
than one
country,
country, sir.
More than one country. D.
More than
one country, sir.
Very good,
D.
correct answer. Next question, the process of rapid integration. The process of rapid integration or interconnection between countries. Rapid in connection between the countries through free trade, free mobility of capital and labor is called foreign trade, liberalization, globalization.
Globalization, sir. Option C.
The process of rapid
Globalization,
integration.
sir. Globalization.
Very good. Correct answer. Congratulations. Next question. What was the main channel connecting countries in the past? What was the main channel connecting countries in the past? Labor, religion, technology, trade.
Technology, sir. Technology.
The trade, sir. Trade.
Trade could be the correct answer. Next question. The impact of globalization has not been fair. Who among the following people have not benefited from globalization? Well-off consumers, small producers and workers, skilled and educated producers, large wealthy producers.
Sir, small producers and workers, sir.
Small producers and workers. Very good. Congratulations. Very good. Fine. Next question. Economic chapter 4 MCQs with answer. Question 17. What is the main motive behind the investment of MNCs? What is the main motive behind the investment of MNCs? The main motive is to increase their assets and earn profits. The main motive is the welfare of the poor people. The main motive of MNCs is to offer financial support to the government of their country. The main motive is to benefit foreign countries. What is
Sir,
the
option
main
A,
motive?
sir, to all
Welfare of the
benefits, sir.
Okay, fine, very good, correct answer. Next question here it is, MNCs keep in mind certain factors before setting up production. MNCs keep in mind certain factors before setting up production. Identify the incorrect option from the choices given below. Availability of cheap, skilled and unskilled labor, proximity to markets, presence of large number of local competitors, favorable government policies. So MNCs keep in mind certain factors before setting up production. Identify the incorrect option from the choices given below. Right? Availability of
Sir,
cheap, skilled,
competitors. Sir, competitors.
presence of large number of competitors.
Sir, unskilled labor, first option A.
Availability of cheap, skilled and unskilled labor. Incorrect option. Factors before setting up a proximity to market, presence
The
Presence of large number of
presence of local.
Large number of local.
Okay. Your answers are wrong, right? Fine. Am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
C is the correct answer. Presence of large number of local competitors. If there are more local competitors are there, then there is no benefit. Very simple thing. You need to understand the question. Bongu Rakesh Yadav, B Rakesh Yadav. Focus. Don't think about others. వేరే వాళ్ళ గురించి ఆలోచించకూడదు. క్వశ్చన్ కనిపిస్తుంది, ఆన్సర్ కనిపిస్తుంది. Question on the option on the, you need to give the answer. That's it. Don't think about what Ramadar feels, what Prithvi Bhargav feels, what okay XYZ feels, what Topu feels, what Tudumshi feels. Don't think about others. Your life, your goal, your studies, right? Don't think about others. What do they think about me? Let them whatever they think, let them go to think, right? Whatever the other people they do think. Don't get hesitated and don't be inferior. You are not superior, you are not inferior, right? You need to believe in yourself. WTIICH, actually it is which Indian company was bought over by Cargill Foods, a large American MNC. Pick out the name from the alternative provided. Amul, Fun Foods Limited, Agrotech Foods Limited, Parag Foods. Make it faster. Answer the question. Which Indian company was bought over by Cargill Food, American company. అది కొన్నది రాబోయ్. ఇది ఏ కంపెనీ కొన్నది? ఓకేనా? Parag Foods. It is a correct answer, right? Which organization supports liberalization foreign and investment in India? Which organization
Sir,
supports?
World Trade. Sir, World Trade Organization.
WTO.
Not
C,
It's a
sir.
WTO.
World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization. Very good. Correct answer. Right. Globalization. In which year did the government decide to remove barriers of foreign trade and investment in India? 93, 92, 91, 90.
91, sir. 91.
See, sir.
Next question. Which of the following industries have been hard hit by foreign competition? Dairy products, leather industry, cloth industry, vehicle
Sir,
industry.
clothes, sir. Clothes.
I think so. Dairy.
Clothes also.
Dairy
Dairy
products.
products. Excuse me. Right. Next question here, it is MCQs on globalization and liberalization. Question number 23 dash refers to all those different economic reforms or policy measures and changes. Which productivity on foreign trade and foreign investment 1991.
91.
Make it fast. Okay, so before me you have to answer, you have to read in your mind and you have to answer the question. A dash is a company that owns a control production in more than one nation. One nation and
MNC,
one.
sir. Multinational
MNC,
company.
sir.
MNC.
Multinational company. MNC.
Dash refers to exchange of goods that is purchase and sale across geographical boundaries of the countries. Dash refers to
Trade.
exchange of goods.
Trade.
Trade.
Foreign trade. The main aim of World Trade Organization is to liberalize international trade. To liberalize international trade. Liberalize means freedom. Increased job opportunities is an impact of globalization.
Globalization.
Next, industrial zones which are set up to attract the foreign investment or non.
MNC.
Industrial zone, man. Industrial zone which are set up, special economic zones. Increase in GNP is a positive impact of globalization, liberalization. True or false? Increase in GNP is a positive impact
True, sir.
of.
True.
True, sir.
As with the trade and investment barriers being removed, international trade and investment would get promoted. Deregulation of industries is a feature of economic reform introduced in 1991. One second. Okay. Next question is, as increase in GNP is a positive impact. Okay, completed that one. Deregulation of industries is a feature. Deregulation of industries is a feature of economic reforms introduced in 1991. Deregulation of industries is a feature. Very good. Next question. Rapid integration or interconnection between countries is known as globalization. Integration of
False, sir. False.
False,
Globalization, sir.
Globalization.
Next question. World Trade Organization was started at the initiative of developing countries. True or false?
False.
Organization.
False, sir. Developed countries, sir.
Developed countries.
Developed countries. Ensuring that rules are followed is a function of World Trade Organization. Ensuring that rules are being followed is a function of World Trade
Yes,
Organization.
sir. Yes, sir. True, sir.
Sir, true, sir.
True.
Function of
True,
World
sir.
Trade. Next question. As on July 2016, 175 countries are the members of World Trade Organization. True or false?
False, sir. 165 countries.
False.
165 countries. Right? Fine. And Next year, UNICEF is one such organization whose aim is to liberalize international trade. UNICEF is one such organization whose aim is
False.
to liberalize.
False.
False, sir.
False, sir.
UNICEF is one such organization whose aim is to liberalize international trade. True or false? Organization whose aim is to liberalize international trade and not the UNICEF. Define a multinational corporation, MNC. Multinational corporation definition. So your multinational corporation own controls products in more than one country. Why do MNCs set up their offices and factories in those regions where they get cheap labor and other resources, get more benefit? Okay, cost of production and increase their profits. To reduce their cost of production and increase their profits. Very simple. Define investment. What is investment? A simple thing. These questions they will not ask. Money that is spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines, and other equipment is called investment. What is foreign investment? If there is a chance to ask this question. Foreign investment. Make it faster. Last question. Today's last question. Today's last question.
The money that is invested for foreign trade.
Such as
Okay, fine.
made by the MNCs.
Okay, right. Jai Swaminarayan and everyone, guys. Actually, I'll be having the another class and I need to work on that little bit.